Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. The setup is a little bit different. I'm on a different camera, but I mean times are different, you guys. So I have been MIA for a while. That is a little because I was feeling quite discouraged, but also, you know, what is happening in the world right now, it's no joke. And I was talking to my mom about it, and she was like, yeah, but you really, really, really like to sew, girl. And sharing your passion, it transfer over in film. It transfer over to other people because you make it with passion. So why not share? Get people's minds off things and your own as well. Hence, I'm here. This dress is still off my winter fashion mood board. Although spring has sprung, and I do have a spring fashion mood board ready. We still have some times to go, and it doesn't really feel like spring anyway. So we'll leave that for a later date. Let's get into the spec of this dress, which is from Burda. It is pattern 111, and it is from January 2019. It is a 3/4 length shift dress with pockets. Hey, we love some pockets, honestly. It consists of 6 pattern pieces. The size that I made is size 34, and the amount of fabric that you need from size 34 up to 38 is 1 meter 65. They're just giving you the advice to make it out of, it is a dress fabric, but it needs to be elastic, but it doesn't need to be flimsy. Let's just say that. I made it out of a scuba that I had, a scuba crepe. Let's see. And I did line it. So that's where I had some issues. I had some lining and it was 100% viscose, but the elasticity in the viscose was less than the elasticity in the crepe. And so you do have some pulling of sorts. You can see it a little around here. So I really need to check and see when I sit so I don't choke myself. Hey, you get the truth here. But other than that, what I did was I just, let's see, because we don't want to be inappropriate. So I just made the viscose and the original fabric, the outer fabric, as one by using my serger. Yeah, by using my serger, and then just sewed it all together. I'll take it off and then I'll just put it in. I'll just insert a clip of the inside of my dress, and I finished it off with an invisible zipper. That's the closure. There wasn't anything difficult about this pattern. It's fairly easy. Burda did have it as a 2 bullet pattern, so, but you know, we don't care about that. We really don't. But I did my makeup for you guys and my hair, and I got this beautiful dress to introduce to you. Now let's head to the mirror. And alright, you guys, so I had a little bit of a hiccup, but this is my dress in all its glory. It has a 3/4 length sleeve, it has the pockets right here, and it is knee length. I styled it with my ASOS sock boot right there, and I am feeling myself. But honestly, when don't I? Because it's like, this is such a satisfying hobby. I just enjoy this so much. Creating is just definitely a passion of mine. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Stay safe, you guys, and have a great, great day. Bye.